In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import deals to the Hubspot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. First, our journey begins at the HubSpot website, your go-to place for all things related to managing customer relationships and business tools. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. You simply click on the login button. This is your gateway to the array of tools HubSpot offers, so entering your credentials correctly is key. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all your activities within the CRM. From here, look for the CRM section. Clicking on CRM will take you to an area dedicated to managing customer interactions and the essential deals you're working on. Once in the CRM, you should see an option for deals. Think of deals as the heart of your CRM operations, where you can track potential sales, ongoing negotiations, and follow-ups. Click on deals and you'll be directed to a page that lists all your current deals and offers a host of functionalities to manage them. To import new data into your deals, look for the Add Data option. Clicking on Add Data is where the action starts. You're about to bring in new information sets that could be vital to closing your next big deal. Once you've clicked there, the next step is to choose Import a File. This is where you'll upload the necessary files containing deal data. Typically, these are CSV files formatted with the required information. With your file ready, you click on Start Import. It's always wise to double check that your file is correctly formatted and contains all the necessary details before proceeding, as this can save you potential headaches down the line. Next up, you'll need to specify that you're importing deals. This way, HubSpot knows exactly where to direct your file data. After selecting deals, you'll click on Next. This is often accompanied by a review process where HubSpot will guide you through mapping your file columns to the correct fields in the CRM. It might seem detailed, but taking care ensures the data lands exactly where it should, maintaining your CRM's integrity and usefulness. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported your deals into HubSpot CRM. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through the process again if needed. Importing data efficiently is crucial for keeping your sales team informed and your business moving forward. Thanks for watching, and happy deal making.